In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Disney account to your Epic Games account quickly and correctly. This is a simple process, but if you follow the steps in the right order, you can save time and avoid connection errors. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games account settings page. You'll want to make sure you're signed into the correct Epic Games account before you begin, because this is the account that will be connected to Disney. Once you're on the account page, look for the section called Apps and Accounts or Linked Accounts. Depending on the layout you see, the name may be slightly different, but it should still be the area where external services and platforms are connected. When you find that section, look for the MyDisney account option. This is the connection you need in order to link your Disney profile to Epic Games. Click the Connect or Link button next to it. After that, you'll usually be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email linked to your Disney account carefully and make sure it's the correct one. If you already have a Disney login, sign in with those credentials. If you don't have one yet, follow the on-screen steps to create a new account. Once your Disney sign-in details are entered, Epic Games will ask you to authorize the connection. This is the part that gives permission for the two accounts to link together. Review the prompt, confirm that everything looks right, and then accept or authorize the connection. After that, the linking process should complete, and your Disney account will be connected to your Epic Games account. If you run into any issues, double check that you're signed into the correct Epic account, that your Disney email is entered properly, and that the connection was fully authorized before moving on. It's also a good idea to refresh the page or sign out and back in if the link doesn't appear right away. And that's it. Your Disney account is now linked to Epic Games. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides.